Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Yusnita. We are from Group 1. We present about the Forest Chemerong at Hulu Dungun Terengganu. Chemerong Forest is located at Hulu Dungan, Terengganu. Chemerong Forest very popular among local people, domestic tourists, and also the international tourists. Tourists can do many activities at Chemerong Forest, which is they can camping, going waterfall, hiking, and others. Chemerong Forest also have Chemerong Outdoor Adventure. At that, tourists can do ATV, kayaking, jungle trekking, and others. If you from Kuala Terengganu, it will take around 2 hours to arrive at the Chemerong Forest. Thank you.
Okay, next is SWOT analysis about the park facility and activity. Okay, first, the strength is at Chemerong have variety of activity can do at there, and then have friendly staff, and also have comfortable accommodation to tourists come and stay at Chemerong.
Second is the weakness about the Chemerong. This first one is the location is too far from the main road. So and if emergency happen, example your car is run out of petrol, so uh, it is a problem for visitor when they go. Next is lack of signboard. This may cause the visitor may confuse them to whether to take which route to go into the Chemerong. Next is the uncomfortable toilet. So the toilet is dirty and the flow of water is very low. So and some door is broken and this is very inconvenient for the visitor.
Next, opportunity. The first, this place also able to attract more tourists, especially international tourists because international tourists like do extreme activity. Second, opportunity to organize various event like camping, family day, and others.
Okay, for the last one is trend. Bukit Besi is one of the competitor for the Chemerong Outdoor Adventure Park, and Bukit Besi is quite popular with the Tasik Puteri, but compared to Chemerong Outdoor Adventure Park and the Bukit Besi, the Chemerong Waterfall is more splendid than the Bukit Besi's one. So the last trait is the population of the local community. The local community around the Chemerong Outdoor Adventure Park is quite small. This is because the residents starting to move out from the area and started to seek for the proper job at the town area.
For conclusion, Chemerong Forest is a nice place for relaxing with friends and family. We also can get experience from the Chemerong Forest. Overall, we all feel satisfied and got a great moment at the Chemerong Forest. Thank you.